You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words. Make sure to stay tuned to the channel for more pronunciations and learning, including of words and names from arts. How do you say it in British English? It is normally pronounced as artist. Stress on the first syllable, artist. Artist in American English, however, it is usually said as artist, artist. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.